it's not what you need. I wonder if you feel like I do, doing all you can to be true. Ooh, it's not hard to get lost, at least not for me. I've certainly found. Have you waked to a season changed? Did a moment coming now rearrange? I wonder if you'd say that you're the same, doing all you can to keep sane. Ooh, it's not hard to get lost.
Here's my submission for the 2016 Furniture Challenge. I designed it in SketchUp completely. I machined all the parts and made it myself. The main feature of this, besides it all being made out of thick cypress wood with the saw marks in it, and I added saw marks where it didn't have any. But the main feature is that I did all the joinery with dovetails in the face frames. The rails and the stiles are all dovetails. There's even dovetail joinery on the end cap. I made my own wood hinges out of mahogany. They also have the dovetail shape as well. But again, you can see even the doors have the dovetail. Added the baskets, the cabinet details, the dovetails, the arches and everything extends over to the sides of the cabinet. You see the arches go the top and the bottom as well. And that's my furniture.